Here's what we're doing today. Gather your materials, ISN, scissors, tape, and your packet. Beware the final exam dragon. Your final is coming very soon, and today we are going to be making sure that you are ready for it. So take a look at your checklist. We will be starting with your flashcards. Read along as I move through this page. You'll receive cards one sheet at a time. Cut them out and clip them together. Quiz yourself until you know the answer. Add a new sheet once you've memorized the first one. Quiz a neighbor, a classmate, or friend, and have them quiz you. Keep going until you can answer all of the flashcards. Take your first sheet of flashcards, and you will be cutting these out. On the front here, you have the questions, and on the back, you have the answers. So grab a pair of scissors and cut each card out so that you have 6 separate cards. Use the paper clip from your checklist to clip them together. Once they're cut out, you should be looking through each card and making sure that you know each one. Separate them in piles based on what you get and what you don't get. Then keep going until you get them all. Put them into the back pocket of your ISN for safe storage. Next, let's look at our notes. You were given notes called Classifying Conic Sections. This is a flowchart to help you decide which kind of conic section you have. As I'm looking through my ISN, I'm realizing that a lot of my pages don't have page numbers. So what you should do is go back through your ISN, look at your table of contents. Make sure each item, each page has a number, and that you've entered it into your table of contents. Take some time to do this. Finally, analyze your exam notes. The person who made this sheet sat down with the final exam and typed out everything that you need to know for each question. I took the page and went through your final exam review packet and found each problem that matches each of these topics. So you can use it as you're going through your flashcards to make sure that you've done all of the problems and understand all of the concepts that are going to be on the final. Take this, fold it, and also tuck it into the back pocket of your ISN. For the rest of class, you will be working in your final exam review packets because your final's coming. When you're done, fill in your checklist and don't forget to sign it. Your homework is 34 through 42. So once you're done with your checklist, go through each item, make sure that you've done each of them to the very best of your ability. When you have, check each of them off. Then sign your name at the bottom to say that you did your very best today. And turn it into the tray.